What are you working on today,
Right,
John?
I prefer my.
We're probably going to, or not going to have.
Top secret client project. I have absentee pair syndrome right now. That's what we say when there's no pair.
But why is it not?
That must make sense.
I'm just writing some tests, writing some code. That's what we do every day. I guess I could point out some stuff. The way that we typically develop is we've got our test over here, then we have our actual code here, and then we have our test suite running here automatically, so anytime I make a change, it runs over here and you see if something's failing. So like, if I didn't have this line of code here and I save it, the test is going to fail, and so I see that failure comes up, and then I can restore that line of code. Just by saving the file, it reruns the pertinent test suite for that file, and then you see what we all love to see, 0 failures.
TextMate isn't changing the ones that are already encoded that way unless you click on that little box.
Okay. So as we work on files now that we have them setting in, they should become cleaner and
Yeah.
easy to merge. Alright. We'll do that then. If you keep running into merge problems that we need to manually handle on our end here, let me know.
Yeah,
Well, I mean,
there's a command.
we expect some merge problems because we're adding new code. It's not me. It's not all on you guys. Not at all. But yeah, if there's something weird coming up, we'll definitely let you know.
Okay.
I'm Sandro, pairing with John. I've been working at Hashrocket for I think it's going to be a year this month, next month, so 11 months. So. Moving into a new office tomorrow. That should be interesting. I don't know how well prepared we are.
Why don't we just set up
At Hashrocket here, I noticed you all pair program. Have you done that before in any other companies you work for?
No, never pair program before. I think that was the reason in the end why I joined Hashrocket. I went to another company after coming in here for like a one-day interview. And as soon as I came in, we started pairing right away and solving a problem together. And then I went off to another company and just kind of, I interviewed with them, but before I interviewed, we just kind of sat around a lot, hoping to pair and hoping to work with other people, but the environment wasn't much like that. And that's the kind of environment I needed. I've progressed greatly as a programmer by being able to work with other people that are better than me, or by just being able to teach other people things that I know. So yeah, programming is really, pair programming has really improved my ability to program. And I don't know, it's great. It's every day is kind of a social day, and a lot of knowledge share, a lot of good work gets done. Actually, it's much harder to program alone now. I wind up making a lot more mistakes and just doing things poorly. So pair programming is a necessity now.
Looking good.
But I think our strength is that it's this white hot crucible that we have in this room here, and if your pair doesn't know, or the person next to you doesn't know, you can just yell over the wall, and you got 15 other hardcore programming dudes and dudettes. Got 2 dudettes now that'll know. Someone will know the answer, and that's pretty powerful. That's a pretty powerful network effect that you don't necessarily get if you're just hanging out in a chat room, and you have to ask your friend who's in Atlanta, or you have to ask your friend who's in San Francisco, how do you solve this, and you wait for their answer, and the interaction isn't there. I mean, it's all about FaceTime, and it's all about, it feels like a little family. That's what this consultancy has. I think that is missing from the computer industry in general. We got a lot of heart. We all hang out in the same room, and we all eat together, play together, work hard, play hard, and I think that's that's something that permeates our culture for sure, and that's why we pair program, and that's why we're all in the same place, and that's why we do Hashrocket. You know, it's about a lifestyle, and pair programming is a part of that.
So tell me about your ping pong experiences, or
Well, let's see.
how good are you?
Let's just have a look at the ladder. We'll see. We'll take an objective view at where. Oh! L4rk, L4rk, that's me. Slightly above Rain. You can see. Slightly above Ben. But Sal's an up-and-comer. Sal's really good.
But not being an egomaniac or anything, I'll be at the top zone. I like the game. I've been playing it for a lot of years.
Nice shot.
Fuck you. 9-4.